Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong Money, Career, Finances reading for January 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabayan. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH, and please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Aquarius, let's see the energies for your money, career, finances ngayong January. So you have the Leo energy, being more creative, expressive. So I think you're going to use your talents, your skills, abilities ngayong January to improve your finances, no? Ang talent naman, kahit ano yan no? Iba-iba yan para sa iba-ibang tao. So for you, you're going to explore your capabilities, your abilities, and mas magiging confident ka na. You also have the Libra energy, which is being more cooperative, balanced, socially aware. And I think this is more on kung kayo ay nasa field ng fashion, ng beauty, ng modeling, or being in the limelight, no? Yan, mas magiging famous kayo ngayong January, and makabuti yan for you kasi if you are famous, mas maraming connections, mas malaki yung influence, and if you can influence a lot of people, then definitely opportunities ay darating sa'yo. May mga collaboration pa yan. So, some of you maaring maka-experience din kayo ng complicated situation in terms of your career, business, pwedeng competition to, so just make sure na you are doing your best, no, para i-proteksyonan yung iyong resources at yung career mo, yung trabaho mo. So, let's see what else, Libra. Book burning, limiting freedom. So, maaring merong magta-try na to rain on your parade. Ito yung tipong isasabotahe ka sa mga gagawin mo. Ito yung mga taong naiinggit or parang they don't want you to become successful, so that's why wag kang panghihinaang ng loob. If there are people who will try to bring you down, ikaw yung dapat number one na mag-uplift ng sarili mo, magpapalakas ng loob mo. And you also have a choice that you need to take or to make ngayong January in terms of your career or business. So, pwedeng meron kang susubukan or iiwanan na sitwasyon sa trabaho, sa career, sa business na, kailangan mong pagdesisyon ng maigi kasi pwedeng, it's either you will make it or you will break it, no? Parang make or break siya. Meron kang mga iniiwasan sa ngayon na dapat mong baguhin na mindset mo pagdating sa trabaho, sa career mo, na kailangan mo na siyang harapin. I think yung iba sa inyo mas nagiging aware kayo sa mga bagay na kailangan nyo pang i-improve sa sarili ninyo. Yung iba kasi pwedeng naka-experience kayo ng mga, painful situation, heartbreak, sa relationships, connections, friends, family, na nakaka-apekto rin syempre sa inyong productivity. So, kaya, it's time to pick up the pieces again, be more confident, and focus on your goals. Kasi minsan nawawala tayo sa, direksyon na gusto natin, 'di ba? Na di-distract tayo sa mga challenges. Kaya, mas maganda na, keep optimistic. Stay focused. So, your overall energy is the Ten of Cups. You are also focused on your family, your loved ones. You have the Ace of Swords. I think some of you meron kayong mga bagong ideas na may isip para i-involve nyo yung family nyo or mga loved ones ninyo sa mga papasukin ninyong projects, business, ganyan. And yung iba naman sa inyo, you're very, parang very motivated ka or inspired ka dahil sa family mo. And I also see some support na binibigay sa'yo ng family mo, ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Ayan. To improve your career, your finances. So, your challenge is friends. Ayan. So, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenging situation sa kaibigan, sa isang kakilala, or pwede ring sa mga nakakasama mo sa trabaho. Pwedeng meron dito na magkakalat ng hindi magandang parang chismis, no, about you, or pwedeng magkaroon ng verbal conflict with someone na tipong meron siyang nasabi na hindi mo gusto or meron kang nasabi na hindi niya gusto. So, just make sure lang din na you try to be more diplomatic pagdating sa pakikitungo sa iba. And then your opportunity is the 4 of Cups and the 10 of Swords. So, you have the opportunity to finally leave a situation na alam mong hindi mo din-deserve. Kasi yung iba, nagtitiis sa isang sitwasyon na alam nila na hindi na sa kanila nagbibigay ng growth, no? Yung parang nasa-stuck sila sa ganon. Pwedeng toxic situation sa trabaho, toxic situation sa business, or parang meron kang mga ginagawa na alam mong hindi ka na masaya. So, you have the opportunity to finally realize that and end whatever is kailangan mo nang tapusin. Kasi kung stressful na yan sa'yo, bakit sasayangin mo pa yung oras at panahon mo dyan? Well, in fact, meron pang ibang opportunities na pwede mong i-explore sa career, sa business, na pwede mong pagkakitaan. So, your blessing is the Queen of Swords. So, ito yung pagiging mature enough to handle your decisions. With the 6 of Cups, I also see you going back to what you love. Ito yung, halimbawa, meron ka talagang love for music. So, example lang naman yan, no? Kung saan ka talaga passionate about. And then, syempre, for some reasons, hindi mo siya magawa na maging major source of income mo. Kaya medyo isinet aside mo siya at sumubo ka ng corporate job or at yung trabaho na kahit ano na lang para lang meron kang kitain. So, pero it didn't work out kasi alam mo na hindi ka talaga nag-enjoy doon. And syempre, that can be very stressful for you. So, for some of you, your blessing is you will go back to what you really love doing. And doon ka makakahanap ng success this time. Ayan, let go of convention and follow your own unique path. Yes, itong own unique path, ito yung sarili mong talents and skills, abilities, yung gifts ni God sa'yo na gagamitin mo na finally. O, ayan na. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It is time to embrace who you really are. Ito yung pagpapakatotoo sa yung sarili. Express mo yung sarili mo. Yung totoong ikaw. Ano yung gusto mo. Ano yung gusto mong ipakita sa mundo. I-share sa mundo. Hold the highest vision for your life. You now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. Challenges mo sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Matatapos rin yan. As long as ready ka na i-reinvent yung sarili mo and focus on what you really love and what you are passionate about. Okay, so that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.